Welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to unlock Dark Soul skins in Elden Ring Nightreign. So first things first, you need to unlock skins first. You will need to defeat two Night Lords, so two expeditions. You need to go to two expeditions to unlock, change garb right here. You can change, skins right here. So to unlock the Dark Soul skins, the last ones, you do need to beat Hellastor, like the Night aspect. So the last boss of the game, you do need to beat him to get this Dark Souls skins. Faram set, which is pretty cool, Dark Souls 2. You also have Artorias, which is the fan favorite of the Souls, series. You also have Soler. That's pretty cool. You have the knight from the original Dark Souls like intro, I think. It's the one who saved you. I think this is the armor he wore. That's pretty cool. You also have this one. I'm not sure if this is from Bloodborne or Dark Souls 2. It kind of looks familiar too. I think this is Dark Souls 3. You have this is Patches. So if you don't know who Patches is, he is the main very hated character in the FromSoft games because he always betrays you and stuff like that. You have Great Skin right here. You have Rock Like, which is pretty sick. You also have Katarina Knights, my absolute favorite. It looks like Bazuzo from Berserk. I look so good. He looks so fat. Look at that side profile. So that's one of my favorite skins. You have Sister in the Painting, Sister Freya, and stuff like that. You also have Dragon Skull skins here. You also have Emerald Fate, which is the lady from Dark Souls 2, I think, and Heretic Sorcerer and stuff like that. Executor, you have Dark Souls 2, I 3, Sable Church Thorns, I think Dark Souls 2. And yeah, guys, so that's all of the Dark Souls skins and how to unlock them. And if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notification for more content like this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.